Today, I'd like to talk to you about day-night mode when using our smart scene plate functionality. So let's jump in and have a look. First of all, we need to configure the operating mode to be smart scene plate. This is going to bring up the smart scene plate option on the left-hand side here. But before we jump into that, let's also enable day-night mode. Enabling day-night mode is going to enable the keypad to act slightly differently during the day to the night. So into advanced, we select the day-night mode enabled. There are then two options to specify basically whether we're in day or night. You either use a 1-bit object where a 0 is day and a 1 is night, and then you might use some other kind of logic device or something else in the system to be able to switch the keypad from day to night mode. Or alternatively, you can send the keypad the time of day from a KNX time clock, or maybe you've got some kind of server in the system where you can send the time of day at regular intervals. And then you literally just need to specify the day to night transition and the night to day transition. If you send the time of day into the keypad does have a clock inside, so it will kind of maintain that time, but to prevent it drifting, we do recommend regularly sending it maybe once every 20 minutes, something like that. So right, now we've got day-night mode enabled, let's jump into smart scene plate tab and actually see what kind of differences that has made. So the first difference we'll notice is now instead of just having a static brightness for the status halo light, the light that goes around the edge of the keypad that indicates whether the room is on or off, and also indicates the selected scene, we can now set a different brightness level for the day compared to the night. So during the day, we want it nice and bright, and maybe at night, we want it, at level 3, nice and subtle, or maybe we want it off altogether. Maybe we don't want to have any visible LEDs at night because maybe the client finds that to be disturbing to their sleep, potentially. The other option we have here is on center button activate. So the default is to activate the last selected scene. But if we change this to a specific scene, so every single time we press the center button, we want to activate a particular scene, then we can change the scene that we activate to be different between the day and the night. So for example, during the day, we might activate the top left scene, which will be like our default bright scene, for example. And during the night, maybe we want to activate our top right scene, which might be our kind of nicely dimmed, warm light setting, to get you basically ready to go to bed. So there we have it. They're the kind of two main parameters that we can adjust differently between the day and the night. We have the specific scene that is selected from the center button, and also the brightness of the halo light. If you've got any questions, please let me know. Thanks.